Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Ace Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Leo.
Hello, Leo. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mia. Today, we will practice small talk at work.
Okay. First, let's start with morning at the office.
Okay. Let's start. Good morning, Mr. Leo. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thanks.
How's your day going so far?
It's okay. A little busy, but okay.
Okay. Let's repeat. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. And you?
Okay. Now, let's move to coffee break.
Hey, did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did. I stayed at home and relaxed.
Nice, Mr. Leo. That sounds good.
What about you?
I went to the park with my family.
Wow, Mia. That's great.
It was fun, and the weather was nice.
Okay, now listen and repeat.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did. What about you? Okay, now let's talking about work. What are you working on today?
I'm working on a new project.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Yes, it is. What are you working on, Mr. Leo?
I'm finishing a report for my manager.
Nice. Good luck with your report.
Thanks.
Okay, let's practice, Mr. Leo. What are you working on?
I'm working on a new project. Now we are in end of the day.
Yeah, it's almost 5 p.m.
Yes, the day went so fast.
Are you finished for today?
Almost. Just one more email.
Okay. So, have a good evening, Mr. Leo.
Thanks, Mia. Have a good evening, too.
See you tomorrow.
See ya. Okay, now let's review the key sentences.
Yeah. Please repeat after us.
Good morning. How are you today?
Did you have a good weekend?
How's your day going?
Are you busy today?
What are you working on?
Have a good evening.
Use one of these sentences at work this week.
Small talk is simple, but very powerful.
It helps you connect with coworkers.
And it helps you practice English every day.
Thank you for listening. And don't forget to subscribe in English Ace Channel.
See you in the next episode.